Come on, Nathan.
All right, so I'm Nathan Schaffer with Schaffer Heating and Cooling. We do residential heating, air conditioning, and indoor air quality. Since the last conference, we've been extremely busy. So we've made 5 new hires, a new salesperson, 2 in the office, a service tech, and 2 install helpers. We have implemented DISC with our team. Kyle's gotten DISC certified. One of our directors, Jim and myself, are getting DISC certified here coming up in July.
Yep.
And we have seen a huge difference in the team culture already. They're asking when the next training is. And so that's been phenomenal.
Nice.
We've mailed out 135 letters to other companies for acquisitions, and I currently have 10 NDAs signed and working with them and getting their financials. So I'm hoping and praying at least 1 or 2 or several of those deals will come through. And a lot of this has happened through EOS, which we've also implemented since last conference with Santi.
Good.
And we've gotten more done in the last about 75 days, I guess, or so with being on the EOS system and the meetings that we've been doing.
That's
and we
awesome.
probably would have all year or the next 2 years.
Yeah.
And so lots has been happening. So
And you haven't been a member really for that long. About how long?
since January, or beginning of the year, I guess, end of the year.
Beginning of this year?
Yes, yep,
Like 4 months or so?
yep.
Wow. Woo-hoo!
So
Hey. I think this thing's working.
absolutely.
Congratulations,
Yep.
brother.
Thank you.
Okay.